Hey bugs, happy Friday. What we're going to be doing in reading today is going to be adding on to what we were doing yesterday. So yesterday you read your historical fiction book and looked a little bit about your character's perspective and maybe why your character is acting that way and why your character is doing the things that they're doing because of what's happening with their family or what's happening in the historical timeline that you guys are working with. So today what we're going to do is we're going to take all of that information you were thinking about and working about yesterday, and we're just going to put it in with our book club. So I'm going to show you and explain to you what that should look like. So here's what we were looking at yesterday, where you think about the character's perspective shaped by the times and what's going on. So that's your teaching point. That's the thing that you're thinking about. So then your independent work today is for you to go into your book club and to share your thoughts and to share your jots so far. So here's what that last page is going to look like. That's going to take you to your book clubs. So I'm just going to choose Susan Marcus Bends the Rules just for fun. So you're going to choose whatever book you're reading. So if you're reading Just Call Me Joe, you're going to choose this link. If you're reading Secret Signs, you're going to go to this link. And if you're reading Susan Marcus Bends the Rules, you're going to go to this link. So if I click the link for a book club meeting, it's going to take me to a page that looks like a corkboard. So there's a lot of posts already from a lot of you. So I'm going to type up my post for you to answer, and it's going to pop up. You're going to see my name. So a lot of you have something where it says anonymous. That's fine, but just make sure you're putting your name somewhere in the post. So I see Caitlin's here. I see Felix is here. I see Emmett has his. Andrea and Anna have their names up there. I see a lot of different names. Cordelia's got hers. But there's a lot of people who have posts, and I don't know who they're from because there's no name. So just make sure you're putting your name somewhere, whether it be up here, like Anna and Andrea, or somewhere in here, like Cordelia and Sylvie and Emmett and Caitlin and Felix. So what you're going to do is you're going to put one of your own independent posts, just like you've been doing here and here and here and here. But you're also going to choose one post to comment on. So it can be a post from any of these days. So you got a lot of different options. So you're going to comment on someone's post. Maybe you can say something like, wow, let's pick Emmett's. Wow, Emmett, that's a great thought. I was also thinking about Susan and when they saw Marv's dad and ran away, and how they might have been scared to see him because they weren't supposed to be there. Or you can say something about Caitlin's post and say, Caitlin, I really disagree with that. I don't think the parents are tripping. I think they're acting the right way, like parents are supposed to do, and my parent kind of acts like that sometimes too. So you're going to do two things. You're going to write your own post about some thoughts that you had yesterday about the character and their perspective, and then you're going to comment on someone else's. So you're doing two things, your own post and then someone commenting on someone else's. And that's what you're going to do for reading today. So good luck. Happy reading. Let us know if you have any questions.